back to Slick Kids Playtime. Today, we're going to do something new. I got this as a gift, and we're going to see if it's good. And if you guys would like to buy it, you guys can. It's neatly packaged. See that? And the first thing I grab out is, comes with a bowl, some popsicle sticks, and some slime material, paint. That's awesome. Let's put this off to the side. I actually see a lot of stuff in here, so there's also instructions. Oh, okay. That's a lot of reading. Oh, okay. So, contains these materials. And there's something else in here. I don't know what it is. I'm going to try to get that. Right. There you go. And it comes with these 3 bottles, which are kind of weird. So I'm going to leave them in there. They're weird. Okay. Let's get down to the ground. And we'll look at this more closely. Okay. We're here. So, look at this more closely. I'm looking at the bag somehow. Okay. Ziploc bag. Okay. So it's a plastic bowl. It just comes with, oh, there's 2. That's good. I'm gonna make more slimes. I can't really undo that, but there it is. Got 2 bowls. Okay, I'm gonna get a little closer so I can reach. We got some foam beads, which are some nice. So put that off to the side too. Okay, we got more little cups. I hope there's containers in here. Oh wait, I think I see lids. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got some containers. These are containers. I have to test this out if they're air shut because we don't want any air getting into our slimes. Because then they'll just dry out. We have a measuring cup. Okay. We have some glitter and some like gold stuff. I think this is pigment, but they could have put it in a different container than a bag. Okay, you guys can make, ooh. Okay, this is scented bubblegum, and we have grape. I don't think I'm going to be using these, because they don't really sound that good. But maybe I'll try bubblegum and make 2-coated slime. Oh, we got some popsicle sticks. Oh, we got this like greenish teal, more like green. Got 2 of these, and they're pigment. We got popsicle sticks, some stirs, which you probably need, but I might have to use my own spoon because it will stick to the wood. And lastly, okay, there's another popsicle stick in there. Let me get that out. There we go. And lastly, we have all these different colors, which we can use bubblegum. Well, I was thinking of cotton candy. You can use pink for bubblegum. They should put cotton candy scented in there. And we got, those look like glow in the dark ones, but I don't know. So that's what we got. And then this, I don't know what any of these are. We're gonna look closely. Take it out. Ah, it's hard to do in one hand. Oh, this is white glue. Okay, I see white glue. We need glue, guys. Oh, guys, really scary. Oh, we got some clear glue. Hopefully, there's some activator in here. Okay, they look like we have activator. A slime activator. That's good. And another slime activator. Now, these are sealed with plastic over their caps. But we only got 2 slimes and 2 activators. Does that mean if there's 1 whole bottle of activator? Like, how so tiny their slimes are we making? These seem really tiny. And the box shows, you guys get it, really big slime. So hopefully they'll fit in our box that we have. So, sorry guys, this is what it looks like. So it does come with all that stuff they told us. We have But actually, guys, this has a way darker printing on this, and this is actually like way lighter, so that's actually really good. You really want some lighter colors. So let me read the instructions and try to make some slime. Okay, so I was reading this and it tells us how much glue we have to pour in, but we're just gonna not do those because we already know how to make slime. Well, I do, and you guys are gonna get to know how to make them. So we're gonna take, oh dear, this was all this around, like bye. We don't need this yet, but I think we're gonna make 2 of each slimes. So we're gonna make a white one first. Sorry, let me just move this out more. You guys can see it. You guys can see my hat. Okay. I can move this forward for you guys. Look at. Oh, there's my carpet. Guys, don't judge it. There we go. And I need to find white glue. Here we go. Here's our white glue. And oh, actually, guys, there's no plastic cap on this. Ah! Oh wait, it does. Well, we're not gonna bother with that. That's what it looks like on the inside. This is our white glue. I actually think we should shake it up first because it kind of looks like clear. So we're gonna shake it. Can't really shake it, but I'm trying my best. It looks better. Like all the white is not. Okay, that looks better, I guess. Okay, we're going to pour some. That does not look like white glue, guys. It looks like clear glue. Okay, hopefully that fits in this container. I'm actually going to pour this in the container, actually. So let's see if it fits. Okay. Let's take our popsicle stick. I'm going to scoop it in there. Okay. Okay, guys, we can add actually a lot more glue in there. Okay. This is as much glue as we get. I'm going to pour a little bit more because we can. So where's the clear glue? I need the white glue. Where's the white glue? Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry if you hear any background stuff. I'm not in a very sealed room. Okay. Now we're going to take our activator. I'm going to pour some in the slime. Ew, what is that? Oh my gosh. We're going to take this and we're going to scoop this out. I think some of the oh dear, okay. Well, I think some of the activator dried on the top and it kind of fell in the bottom. You guys can see, I actually can't do that. You can see it. I'm going to put this back on. You guys can see it at the bottom. Like, in there somewhere. Ew. That's disgusting. Okay. Oopsies, I think I poured too much. Ah! This might be a failed slime, guys. Okay, we're going to take this, and I'm going to stir it together. Okay, we already got our slime. We have to pour some of this stuff out. Okay. I have to get a new container. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. We got the slime. Oh, it does not feel that right. That guys feels. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, guys. I think, guys, this is a failed slime. Let's try to attempt 2. Look at, oh my gosh, there's water coming out of it. This is not good. I'm just gonna keep molding it. Guys, I don't think this survived. how chunky that is. I think I put too much activator. That's horrible. Okay. Well, we could add more glue to it, but I don't want to risk it. So now I have made putty. Let's see if it bounces. It fell right into the activator. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna put that back. I'm gonna see if we can. Yeah, guys, this is not good slime. I have made putty. It's not good. How nasty my fingers are. Okay. That's horrible. We're gonna try our glue slime again. This time, hopefully, we made some good ones. Oh, guys. Come on. I'm gonna take our glue and yeah, we're gonna have to wipe this off. Okay. I'm just gonna peel this off. You know, I got a new popsicle stick. I'm gonna use that. My slime. Look how nice that slime is. I'm gonna stir some of the activator with it. Oh yeah, see guys? There's just a little bit of activator in here and it's already coming together. Okay, this is way better. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more activator, not too much. I'm gonna take the plastic seal off. I kind of got the plastic seal a little bit off. Oh dear, I really need the plastic seal off. Okay, we did that. This might be way better. Oh no. Guys, this is making a mess. Oh yeah, there's something on the bottom of it. I forgot. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put some of the activator into this I already have already. It's just a little slime, so it shouldn't need that much activator. Okay, that feels much more better. Okay, it stretches more better. Still a little chunky. I'm gonna put this in the measuring bowl. Okay, measuring cup, I guess. This is better. Oh my gosh, it's really sticky. I wish there was some lotion in this kit too. Okay, this is some slimy stuff. So hopefully that'll make it more better and smoother. Oh yeah, more stretchier. What I meant. Okay guys. It's really messy, so if you guys don't like messy kits, you might not want to get this. Okay guys, it's way better. I'm gonna put this in this little bowl. Okay guys, because the slime is sad, I'm just gonna add this good slime with it. Just to make it stretchier, I guess. I need to add more glue to make this really good, but just pour white glue more into it. It definitely cannot stretch, but it can cope. So I'm just gonna make putty, that's it. So I'm gonna add some coloring to it. Sorry, you guys can't see the slime I just put together. Right here. And you guys can hear the crumbles of plastic. Here's all the colors. I'm gonna go with some, oh my gosh, okay. Maybe some blue. Okay, this is not working. Okay, maybe the other one pops it. No. Okay. This is not as good. Like, look how little. I'm gonna add this to this side. Look how much the blue is. Like, it's all crusty. I'm just gonna add it. I just don't care. This doesn't seem it's gonna go well at all. Okay, it's working, kind of. But guys, up close, look how nasty it is. It's getting all over my hands, which I didn't want to make a big mess of, but... Guys. We need more glue. It doesn't stick together anymore. This is my finished result. It feels gross. If you get this in a gift and you read more of the instructions than I do, you'll know. Probably did it more better than me. But the paint is kind of bad. Like, the purple might be filled more, maybe? Oh yeah, the purple is much more better. Blue, it's not that great. So if your favorite color is blue, I think you should just change it. So, like, I could definitely color things with it. Sorry, that's my brother talking. But this is better, like right here. But I think the pigment would work so better, and I wish there was more glue to it, because you get 2 activators, and you're just gonna make tiny glues. Like, so definitely maybe more slime to make, because there's just little tiny bottles that not that much filled. Like for like 2 slimes, they made one really big one over much activator. So that's what my result was. Hopefully it was your result better than mine. But that is it for today. I hope you guys, if you get this same kit, hopefully your slimes are way better than mine. Like, it's nice and just kind of stretchy, but the paint is like making it clumpy. So if I picked better paint, it probably would work. But this doesn't work. I wouldn't recommend this kit. But yeah, so see you guys later. I'm gonna be trying to experiment with more slimes. Maybe the clear slime would work better. So bye.